guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am actually getting ready for my sister's wedding. I'm so excited. I have my hair down so it can dry, but I have it like tucked back behind this little headband thing. I'm gonna go through, kind of just speed through what I'm doing. I have about 40 minutes to get ready, and then I go and I do my sister's makeup. I get to do the bride's makeup, which is super exciting. I'm using my other phone to film because I have to use my other phone I usually film in with. I'm using that. I gotta save, seriously, I gotta save room in that for the wedding. So like I said, we're just gonna speed through this. I'm probably gonna come on here and talk just a little bit, but then speed through some certain areas. Matt's watching like Forensic Files or something like that right now. Anyway, gonna go in with the Maybelline Studio Brow Gel like I usually do because we want these brows to stay on. But actually first I want to do some under eye patches, and these are the Wonder Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask, and I actually have some of these for my sister to wear while I'm doing her eye makeup. And yeah, we're just gonna put these on, hydrate the under eyes, because we all know that when you're on a little vacation and up in the mountains, it kind of sucks the life out of you. So let's hydrate them under eyes. I love this to just draw on my brows. I know the angle is a bit interesting today, but it's what I have, what we gotta work with. I have like one hair poking out back there.
Rising with each beat of the music is bringing little flames in the fire that keeps burning. We're invited.
So I love to use this one, like I recently mentioned in my beauty favorites. It's just so easy to clean up the brows. Alright, I'm going to go in with some eyeshadow primer. Rub that in. I usually have, a lot of the time, I usually don't use eyeshadow primer, y'all. Well, before recently, because I just felt like I never needed it. But now I feel like my eyeshadow is creasing, and I don't know if it's because I'm getting up there in age. I feel like I'm freaking getting old. I look so silly right now. But, yeah, okay, so we have that. Now I'm going, my dress is like a burgundy red color. So we're going to go in with the BH Cosmetics Royal Affair palette, and I want to go in with this deeper shade. But first I'm going to start off with a kind of shade, like just a normal shade, like a neutral skin tone shade. So that color will blend out well. Okay, I'm going to go in with this beautiful shade right here called Regal, and just focus that out on the like inner corner. Alright, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Long Lasting eyeshadow base, and this is kind of like a chromey pink, but we're just going to apply this on the lid. And kind of do like a cut crease, I guess you could say. I'm going to let this dry down and then apply more of a shimmer on top. Alright, gonna go back in with that reddish color and then clean up this corner. What's up?
Nothing, I just continue with the conversation. I don't want to do that while you're being recorded then.
Blend that in. Go in with this very pretty LA Color strobing illuminating powder. I'm going to go in with my finger and apply this right on top of that eyeshadow base. See how pretty that is? And then go in and just continue to blend this in some so it's not like such a harsh line. Take these off now since that's all nice and hydrated. I do have a funky line right here, but that is something that you can, I'll show you, you can clean it up very easy with a makeup wipe. So makeup wipe, and to clean it up, all you gotta do is just go like that. It'll look better once you put the liquid eyeliner on, but I think I'm actually going to hold off real quick on the liquid eyeliner because I want to do my foundation before, and yeah, let's do that. So I want this makeup to last a while. I'm using this on my sister too. This is a Nivea Post Shave Balm for men, and it's like really tacky, and this makes your makeup last a heck of a lot longer. People used to talk about this all the time, but hasn't been talked about in quite a while. Let that soak in. Gonna do a pore filler, like always, the ColourPop primer. Just put it in the area where my pores are most visible. Under eye concealer, Bobbi Brown Light Peach Corrector. I'll cover them dark circles. Okay, so I'm going to go in with the CYO foundation. Pretty easy choice. I'm picking this one out. I was going to use the HD, like the Catrice one. Hopefully this one's not fully up because I wanted to use this on my sister as well. Blend it out with the beauty blender. Just makes your face look so airbrushed. I have done a review on this foundation, so I'll check that out if you want to see it. I'm going to go in with the Collab Concealer. Have tried the foundation to this and just wasn't a fan. I've never been much of a fan of matte foundations. Well, I used to. When I first started wearing makeup, I would only get matte foundations. I would stay away from dewy foundations because I had such an oily T-zone. And then one day, the whole baking thing came out, and I learned to bake my face, and I stopped using matte foundations and started using more kind of dewy foundations, and then started baking my face, and they held up really well. And honestly, if you do that, it makes your face look so much more less like cakey, and like you have so much product on your face. So I definitely think I'm going to be using this foundation for my sister. Like I said, it's kind of, I already did her makeup. I already did a test run of it a few weeks back, and I tried the liquid HD one from Catrice, and I just realized that her pores were really visible with that one. Everyone's skin wears differently with certain foundations, so I was thinking this one doesn't, and it looks a little bit more flawless, so I think I'll be using this one on her. Gonna bake my face with the RCMA No Color Powder. So we tried this on my sister as well, but she is not oily. She doesn't get oily, so I should have asked her prior. But we used this powder underneath her eyes and on the areas where I put concealer on her, and we just realized that underneath the eyes, I put this all over my face because I want my foundation to stay in place. It looks kind of white, but it does. Doesn't really look like that once you blend it out. But I did her underneath her eyes, and we just realized it looked a little too white under there, so. Okay, I let my bake sit on my face for about 10 minutes. So I'm going to do that while I do my liquid eyeliner. Go in with the LA Girl Glide Gel Liner, and then put this on my lower lash line. And then I'm gonna wipe away the bake on my face. Matte powder by Grwm, and just set my whole face with this. The lighting is making me look super washed down. The red and brown underneath my lower lash line. Alright, so I already applied my mascara. I used the Double Decker Butter London Mascara on my top lashes, and then the Wet n Wild Mega Length Mascara on my bottom lashes. I'm going to contour my face. Actually, first I'm going to apply some of that strobing highlight right here. I'm going to put that underneath my brow. I'm going to contour with the Physicians Formula contour. I'm going to just use the middle shade. Add a little bit of blush. I'm going to go in with the Essence blush in the shade Baby Doll. With this powdered highlight, because I don't want my highlight to be like too much. Apply it to the cheekbones. And then go in with my wet beauty blender and kind of just bounce that on there because it helps blend it into the skin a little bit more. Then I'm going to just set everything with my Morphe setting spray. So refreshing. So what I'm going to wear on the lips, I'm not going to put on right now, but I'm just going to go in with the Buxom Plumping Lip in Jasmine. And it's kind of like a reddish color, so it'll go really well with the dress. So we'll do an up close for y'all once I'm done doing this hair and I have my dress on.